Hello everybody, my name is Jorge Rojas, and for my field trip assignment I went to the archaeological park called Los Algarrobos. This park is here in Quito in the city, more specific between Cumbaya and Tumbaco. The main objective of this field trip is to see the flora and fauna that this small park can offer to the people, but more important to see how people act to prevent or to avoid to contaminate these parks. When I entered to the ecological park, the first thing that I noticed was an unpleasant odor caused by the San Pedro River, which unfortunately is polluted. Despite this, the park remains a beautiful place with vegetation that helps visitors to connect with nature. Among the plants and trees I observed, the first that I saw were the cacti, especially the San Antonio tuna, that is an endemic species of Ecuador. I also saw the cholan tree, and also the most tree that I saw was the carob tree, which gives the park its name Los Algarrobos. I didn't see any animals during my visit, likely because the area was busy with people, and the animals tend to hide and come out at night. However, the park is home to rodents, grasshoppers, snails, and even snakes. This experience helped me connect with basic concepts of biology such as adaptation, the food chain, and ecological balance. It also provides a practical way to learn about the different types of tree and their vital role in housing animals and cleaning the air. On the negative side of this field trip, I see this issue with the river pollution of the River San Pedro and its consequence. Personally, I enjoy the park a lot. In fact, I used to visit very often this park a few years ago. But right now that I came back to the Parque Los Algarrobos, I saw a problem because this park was neglected. What impacted me the most was the sight and smell of the contaminated San Pedro River. Its vegetation and trees make the park inviting to people to share and disconnect with the city, but approaching the riverbanks reveals that the water of the river is green, so that meaning that it's polluted, and also you can see a garbage accumulating in a small cave nearby. This evokes me anger because the responsibility of polluting that river is for the human actions, and knowing that the water is essential to survive to the people, right now that river is not going to be helpful for the people. The Algarrobos Park is a place to disconnect with the city and connect with nature. The preservation of the park requires commitment from the authorities, the community, and the visitors to ensure its sustainability. As a recommendation, if you go to the park, you can learn a lot of biology there. For example, you can observe the process of decomposition just by looking the fallen leaves. Also take your time to read the signs, because they provide information about the biodiversity that the area has, the origin of its name, and also some curious facts. So take your time and enjoy the nature.